How to make a YouTube short in CapCut. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a YouTube short using CapCut. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. So first, open CapCut on your device. Either create a new project or open an existing one. Go ahead and add the videos or clips you want to use in your short. Now with nothing selected on the timeline, scroll along the bottom menu and tap Aspect Ratio. Select 9:16, which is the required vertical format for YouTube Shorts. Next, adjust and resize your video to fit the vertical frame properly. Make sure the total length of your project is under 60 seconds, since that's the maximum allowed for shorts. Once you're happy with the edit, tap the Export button at the top right. And when it's done exporting, you can upload it directly to YouTube as a short. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.